iOS 26 beta has just dropped on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the beta program and enable these iOS 26 update. So without wasting time, let's jump on right into it. Alright, first and foremost, you have to open your favorite browser, Safari, anything, and then over here you want to type in Apple Beta Program. And then it should be the first link that pops up is a beta.apple.com, and it should come with this page right over here, which is new public betas and developer betas for iOS 26, and it has a lot of information down here. Now for me, what you want to do is click on sign up, and you should be able to use your Apple ID account, your passkey, and sign in pretty quick and easy. Now one thing to note over here is that I'm going to be skipping a couple of steps because I already enrolled my device with iOS beta, but it is pretty self-explanatory after you hit the sign up page and you log in with your account. But now back to the video. As you can see right over here, it gives you all those information and everything. And then once that, you just need to head over to your settings, go over to general, then software update, and then boom, you should have a tab over here which says beta updates. And that is basically it. That is how simple and easy it is to enroll your device into the developer beta or the public beta options. Now for many people, it might only show iOS 18 developer beta, not even the public one as well. So what you want to simply do is just turn it all off. Then you want to restart your phone, and after it restarts, you should automatically see the iOS 26 beta update. And after you see it, make sure to tap on it, and then you are good to go, and let it sit for like another 10-20 minutes and it should update. Now unfortunately on my side, because I toggled it off, it actually stopped the update, so I have to request it again and let it download again. So that is a bummer, and make sure you don't do that as well, because then you have to sit for another couple minutes and for it to download and stuff. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this cool tutorial video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe down below. And I will be making a full-on review for iOS 26 and showcasing like the top 5 or top 10 features. So make sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified first. Alright, see you guys next time with another banger video. Peace.